This is HTC U11 Life, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So to start, I recommend that you deny the device admin permission to all potential apps that have it. So here, go into the security and location category of settings, then open the device admin apps list and deactivate this permission for all and any apps that have it, as I've already mentioned. Now see if your problem disappears, and if it does, that means that such app has been the root for your issues, and you gotta uninstall such app right away by going into the apps and notifications category of settings, then app info, find the app in question and get it uninstalled. What you might also want to do is to run a security or antivirus scan. You can either launch the Google Play Store and perform the Play Protect scan here, or you might as well resort to some third-party solutions antivirus apps such as the Avast Mobile Security. So get this app installed and scan your system for some or any security issues here, and then resolve them by following these very comprehensive steps. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.